Hey guys, how are you all? In this video I'm going to show you that how can you fix brightness, or how can you fix auto brightness, how can you enable dark mode, and how can you enable night mode in your iPhone. So this video is quite interesting and simple to do. What we have to do, we just have to take our iPhone here like this is my home screen, and the first step I will do that swipe on the right top corner of your screen so that the menu will be open here like this. And here you can see there is a audio option here, like from here you can set your audio, but on the left of audio you can see there is an option called brightness, which increase my screen's brightness right now. So I will just tap it for 3 or 4 seconds like this, and you can see there is night mode option here. I can switch off or switch on night mode from here. I can also turn off dark mode and dark mode on from here. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you. If you have any question, any query, or any confusion regarding any topic, so just drop it into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.